Bonjour, welcome to the Instant Grammar Review for Chapter 7.1. Big grammar ideas are IR verbs, the verb porter, the verb mettre, and which, and that. Okay, IR verbs. We're going back to our trusty verb house. IR verbs represent a regular, one of the three regular verb families. The first step is to, of course, strike out the IR of any IR verb. And then we end up with a stem like fin, fin, fin. Do you like that? And then we add our endings. IS, IS, IT, ISS, ONS, ISS, EZ, ISS, ENT. Je finis, tu finis, il finit. Nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent. N'oubliez pas, le ENT est si long. ENT is silent. IR verb family. Several other IR verbs like choisir, grandir, grossir, etc. D'accord? Okay, on continue. Chapter 7.1 was all about clothing, and we had two ways to talk about wearing clothes. One is the verb porter. Porter is a regular ER. We strike out that ER, and we end up with je porte, tu portes, il, elle, on porte, nous portons, vous portez, il ou elle porte. N'oubliez pas, ENT, si long, silent ENT. The other way that we express to wear is the verb mettre, and mettre is a little bit unusual, has a little bit of familiarity as well. Verb house. Mettre, je, mets, tu, mets, il, elle, met, s, ch. Et puis mettons, mettez, et mette, ENT, silent ENT, mette. D'accord? Two ways to say wear. Je mets une chemise et un pantalon. Je porte une chemise et un pantalon. Finally, the last little mini concept is two different adjectives, interrogative adjectives and demonstrative adjectives. And so if we look in terms of a masculine and a feminine and a singular, and a plural, these both precede nouns. Which shirt are you wearing? That shirt. Then we have to think in terms of what's following them. And so if it's masculine, the which will be quel. The feminine would be quelle. The plural, quelle. And the feminine plural would be quelle. And if we wanted to discuss that shirt, that pair of pants, we would use ce, cette, ces, and c'est. There's just a little teeny tiny occasion where we will use set. So if you have a masculine vowel starter like hôtel, vowel starter, masculine, you'll use set hôtel. You could tell if you used a ce hôtel, it wouldn't sound quite right. You need a little bit of a consonant to bounce off of. Set hôtel. If you have that happen in the feminine, you don't have that problem because you have that T in there, but that's just for a masculine vowel start. Voilà, 7.1, IR, porter, mettre, which, and that. Au revoir, fini.